My name is Kashish and you're watching my channel Kashish Desai, and welcome back. Today I have come up with a new recipe which a 5-year-old can also make. It is the apple cream recipe. So keep watching and enjoy the video. For the recipe we will need some fresh cream, powdered sugar, almonds, apples, vanilla essence and a stirring bowl. We will start by pouring the cream into the stirring bowl. Now we are done pouring the cream into the stirring bowl, and we will start pouring the sugar into the stirring bowl according to taste. Now we'll add 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence. You can also add ice cream, but my father doesn't like ice cream, so I'm skipping it. Mix, mix, mix. If you feel that it's thick, you can add cold milk. Sugar is almost melted. Now we will cut some apples. Take help of your parents while cutting the apples. We have finished cutting the apples, and now we'll add the apples into the cream. Now we'll start mixing the apples with the cream. This is a little bit messy as it's made by me, but being messy is sometimes fun. And now it is almost ready. We'll keep it in the refrigerator for almost 1 hour. While the apple cream is getting cool, we will crush some almonds. You can cut them, but right now I'm adding them into a mixie. Now the crushed almonds are ready. We will add ghee in the pan and then roast the almonds for 2-3 minutes. After 1 hour of cooling, we will add the apple cream into a serving bowl. Now for garnishing, we will add some roasted almonds. Now it's time to surprise my daddy. Our delicious apple cream is ready. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and share it with your friends.